Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your PracticePanther, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Microsoft OneDrive to your PracticePanther? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your OneDrive to your PracticePanther anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that you're probably going to need to store a lot of different documents and files, and with PracticePanther, you can link your OneDrive. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PracticePanther dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. I've already logged into my PracticePanther, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Microsoft OneDrive to PracticePanther, here on the top right, you're going to click on your name. After you do that, you want to click on settings. All right, once you click there, here on the left side, you're going to see another menu, and you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and look for this line files and documents. Once you click there, you want to look for the OneDrive logo and then click on the green connect button. Okay, once you do that, Microsoft's going to open up the browser asking if you want to give PracticePanther access to your OneDrive. If so, click on the blue accept button. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes, and now you can see the OneDrive is the only one that has been lit up. These other providers are in gray and white, and underneath the Microsoft OneDrive logo, you should see the red disconnect button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Microsoft OneDrive to your PracticePanther, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.